Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we have a canvas from Fansells. I order from Fanwells and Fansells, even though it's the same friggin' thing. It's probably from the same warehouse too in these companies. But I saw a larger canvas that I really liked. I've been seeing this particular collection float around in different sizes. I decided that I was going to go with the bigger size in this, for instance, because it was a face, and I thought she would look really, really stunning on the size I ordered her in, which is a 40 by 60. So it's a 40 by 60, so it's pretty big. So I'm just going to have, she's got some horns and like this stark white hair and these piercing eyes. She's a chocolate beauty. And this is big, but you know what? After working on my, what was it, 45 by 60 from Common Canvas Designs, I had a pretty good time doing that canvas. I really didn't mind working on it. I wasn't getting antsy to finish it. I mean, of course I want to finish it so I can hang it up, but I wasn't getting irritated with it because it was taking long. It took me about a week and a half maybe to do the 45 by 60. So I figured maybe this 40 by 60 will take me around the same time. This is round drills. First of all, they give you a big plate of wax, a squishy 4-placer. What is this? A 10-placer, some cheap tweezers, and a glittery pen. So I'll pick apart that kit to keep what I want. Here are the drills. ABs do come in this kit. They kind of just threw the bags in here, which I normally don't like when they do stuff like that. I like them when they line them up. But let's find all the ABs. I think like 4 to 12 ABs can come in a kit. That's what they've been doing with their AB kits now. I don't know what makes them determine how many ABs should be in a kit. But we have a really, really big bag of 3743. And we have a huge bag of 939, our navy blue. So, try to find out where that goes, and that's number 22 on the list. That's E. So that's this navy blue's all the background up here. That's all color blocking. We do have a lot of purples, wine colors, Bordeaux colors, you know, dark purples. I know I'm getting technical with color names. So dark purples, pinks, there's a little bit of green and navy blues. And lots of purples and pinks. So yeah, right up my alley. They did provide 4 sets of ABs in this kit. So some gray ABs, 318. I think this is AB 318. AB 209, so a nice, a little bit darker than lavender. This slate color, AB 161. And a nice dark purple, AB 550. Love it. I don't know where they're going to go. Did they put them last? I don't know if they put them first or last on the list. AB 550. Okay, so they put them wherever in the list. Normally in a lot of these companies, they put the ABs last on the color list from what I've seen before. Most canvases. But they just put them in DMC order on this list. So the dark purple is S. Let's see if I can find this stuff on this such a big canvas. Okay, so some of this AB, the dark purple, is like around her eyelids, like eyeliner or eyeshadow. There's a lot of purple everywhere, but 209. Let's look where the lighter purple is. It's a percentage sign. We might be shit out of luck at. Oh, down here in her hair. Probably over here in her hair also. Sorry the canvas is wrinkly. I was trying to flatten it out, but I just don't have any room on this desk for such a large canvas. Yeah, so the light purple is going to go in here, maybe in her hair and her shoulders a little bit. What is this, 161, the slate color, equal sign. So I can see some of them over here. Some of them over here. Some at the top of her hair, up here. I'm trying to. Oh, there's an animal on her head. I forgot which canvas this was because there's so many of these girls. I'll show you the thumbnail so you get a better view of what we're looking at. And number 318 is a Y. And some of her hair over here. And there's probably some in her hair down here. If they're putting in her hair, it's probably in her hair. So, say hi. Climbing up my leg again in my stuff. Hi, everybody. She's up from her nap. So 4 ABs, not bad. I'm really happy that we got at least 4 ABs for this size canvas. The color list. There are 40 colors. There are symbols and letters in here. Not a lot of letters. Lots and lots of symbols and no numbers. But let me show you. Sorry, you guys. So she's got like this animal, this dark black animal on her head. I don't know, but you may have seen these girls if you've been browsing around the budget-friendly sites. There's a whole collection of them. I want to get a couple of them, but I wanted to try one out first before I just started buying the rest of the collection, you know? There is no label on the drills. But quite frankly, even though I'm working on a couple whips right now, like I always am, I might put her under my bed for a day or two, under my mattress. Oh, here we go. Right here. Canvas number, canvas size, and ABs with 40 colors. Tiny writing, but it's there. It's there. Oh, so I paid $12.17 for her, so you know, not too bad for a larger canvas. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it at all. There's tons of confetti in her skin, in her hair, color blocking in the animal in the background. Sorry, she just wants to be on the desk right now. Even in her horns, there is some color blocking and some confetti, but there is a lot of confetti in this canvas. But that seems to be the case even with the other 45 by 60 from Calming Canvas Designs. There was a lot of confetti in her skin. That cotton candy woman I did, there was tons of fucking confetti in her skin and her hair, and maybe like the cotton candy clouds, there was maybe a little bit of color blocking, but it was just tons of friggin' confetti. But I made it through, so hopefully I do good on this one. So I'm gonna flatten her out under my mattress and give her a day or two, and then maybe kit her up. I am waiting on another Calming Canvas Designs canvas. I ordered another lady from them. I was just, you know, aside from the trashy drills, I was pretty impressed. I loved working on that canvas, and it came out absolutely stunning. I loved it, so I want another one. So it should be here probably next week, crossing my fingers. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing my new lady. I'm super excited to kit her up soon and start working on her. So from Fansells, you guys, if you haven't checked out Fansells, go check them out. They have lots of budget friendly canvases, and they probably have other things on that site, but I've never really looked. I'm pretty sure they have DIY crafts and stuff like that. So yeah, check them out. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.